Luxury, precision, and Japanese craftsmanship, reborn. The 2026 Lexus LS 500 isn't just a sedan, it's a statement. In a world dominated by German giants, Lexus brings a bold new chapter in flagship elegance. Today, we're diving deep into what makes the new LS 500 a true competitor in the ultra-luxury league. First impressions. Striking. The 2026 LS 500 debuts with Lexus's evolved design language. The signature spindle grille remains but is now more refined, less aggressive, more confident. Check out those new 21-inch forged alloy wheels, pure art in motion. The sculpted body lines flow like brushstrokes from a Japanese calligraphy master, and the adaptive LED headlamps add not just function but flair. It's longer, lower, and wider, giving it a commanding road presence while improving aerodynamics. And that new, celestial silver paint? It changes tone with the sunlight. Subtle flex, Lexus. Step inside, and you're not in a car, you're in a sanctuary. The 2026 LS 500's cabin is a masterclass in luxury. Real Yakisugi wood trims, hand-pleated door panels, and silk-inspired seat stitching. Lexus finally nails the tech. The updated infotainment system is crisp, intuitive, and supports over-the-air updates. There's a full digital cockpit, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and get this a new AI-powered co-pilot assistant that learns your preferences over time. In the back. Executive lounge-level comfort. Massage seats, individual climate zones, and enough legroom to shame a first-class flight. Under the hood, the 2026 LS 500 packs a revised 3.5-liter twin-turbo V6, now pushing out 425 horsepower, smoother, quieter, but still responsive when you need it. And for the eco-conscious execs out there, Lexus has introduced an LS 500h Plus plug-in hybrid variant. With 40 miles of pure electric range, it's luxury with a conscience. Add in the latest Lexus Teammate 2.0 suite, semi-autonomous highway driving, predictive navigation, and safety features so advanced, you'll forget what stress feels like behind the wheel. The 2026 Lexus LS 500 is more than just an update, it's a rebirth. It blends traditional Japanese craftsmanship with cutting-edge innovation, carving a unique space in the luxury sedan world. What do you think? Has Lexus finally cracked the luxury code? Drop your thoughts below, hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe for more in-depth reviews of the cars that move us. Thank you for watching, see you in the next video.